guys, Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. So today we're going to have, turn that around, our friends at RoseCraftBlades.com, Andy and his crew. This is a couple of the newer variants that we're going to be looking at. This is going to be the Otter Creek Barlow. One of them is going to be in red stag bone. The other will be in a denim micarta. So let's jump right on into this. See which one we've got. Yeah. Ooh. This is part of the pass around, so these things are going to have fingerprints and whatnot because other people have handled it before me. Kind of make it presentable for you. If I can get in there to that. That awesome natural texturing. Beautiful. Got a little, I guess like a bear paw or something there. And then got a nice drop point blade to it. Real nice swedging, as they all their designs have some amazing swedging from this company, guys. I mean, I know a lot of people don't necessarily care for, especially in the slip joint community, everybody wants American made, but my gosh, guys, I mean, this quality is on point. I got feels good in the hand even for, yeah, really like that. So let's get into some details on this fella. So this is going to be, red deer stag. It's going to have a 2.9 inch D2. No, they're calling it a clip point. So I guess I could see that. Brushed satin finished bolsters. And it is a one-piece design. The bolsters into the actual liners. And of course, you got your spring there in the back. Of course, it's going to be a separate piece. But it's got really nice walk and talk to it. I'm going to have to remind myself next video or so, I'm going to have to get some gloves because these slip joints, they like to fingerprint like something wicked. But there is that one. Oh, okay. Yeah, now I'm reading some on this now. So the Otter Creek Barlow. So the paw print is actually an otter's paw print. This guy does weigh about 3 ounces according to spec. Does have D2 steel. This steel is some really nice stuff. I mean, over time it'll probably patina just a little bit, but I don't think it's going to look like anything crazy like you'd get with some of your some of the stuff that Case makes. I don't have a lot of experience with that brand in particular, but the guys here at RoseCraft have really spoiled me with slip joints, and I'm much appreciative of that. Let's jump into this one should be the denim micarta version. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. And this guy here's got the same Otter imprint. Mm. Get you in there. Look at the. Now this is a slicker micarta, so it's not really like a grippy micarta, but still it lends itself really well to the overall design. Really beautiful. I can't quite tell if that's these pins in there. And just like the other one, we're going to have that 2.9, almost 3-inch D2 clip point. I don't know if my eyesight's getting bad, but the pins kind of have a hue to them, almost like they might be using brass pins on these, as opposed to the nickel pins that they've used on some of their prior models. But still, I mean, fit and finish is on point. This guy right here is going to run you $59.99. I'll be sure to put a link to their website for each of these down in the description. Now, I don't get any sort of kickback or anything like that. I'm just passing around the good news and the beauty of these simple and very, very affordable Barlows. But this guy here runs $59.99. Ships right here out of beautiful sunny East Tennessee. And this beauty right here, if this is more your speed, this goes for $76.99 on their website. Now, just fair warning, I mean, if you like that sort of patterning there, I mean, this is natural, this texture. So yours might have a slightly different texture just depending on what the material, the bone material, what texturing was naturally in the bone material. That's, how they get this. So might not wind up with exactly something like this. It might be more of almost like a scratch pattern or something like that, but still, all the more, you can see there, comparatively, the micarta versus the bone, the stag handle, get a little bit more hand filling right there. It fills the hand really nice. Yeah, $76.99 and $59.99. I'll put the link in the descriptions down below, guys. Appreciate you watching, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. I've got quite a bit more to come. We're really ramping it up this time of year, and these guys are definitely keeping me busy. But be sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's keep on passing this around, because I would like to get to 500 subs soon. And at 500 subs, I will be doing another giveaway. So just a little bug in your ear to kind of pass me along to your friends if they're interested in slip joints. I do just bladed content in general. I do fixed blades, slip joints. I do modern folders, Really haven't done much for OTFs, but still, there's all kinds of stuff on the back burner for me. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.